This is the March OK Beauty Box. This edit is called Treat Time Edit. So let's take a look to see what treats we've got this month. Hi there guys, and welcome to my channel. Today's video I have this. So this is the March OK Beauty Box. Let's get it open. So if you have not already, if you want to hit that subscribe button, come on over and join my YouTube family. I would love to have you. Hit that notification bell as well. It'll just let you know whenever I upload any videos. And of course, if you like this video, which I really hope that you do, please remember to smash that thumbs up button. It really helps my channel out. When I get to 2,000 subscribers, which I am 270 subscribers away from, I'm going to be doing a giveaway. A video here that I'm linking, that's just showing you what the 3 prizes are. The main prize being the 2021 Glossy Advent Calendar, which is so good, guys. So yeah, tell your friends and your family, hopefully they'll subscribe, we'll get there quicker so I can get these prizes out of my house. So opening the box up, let's have a look. So we are met with this. Let's open this flap up. So here it is basically just telling you that your box every month is going to be worth at least £60, and you're going to have a minimum of 5 products in here, which is cool. This costs £15 per month, which I think is quite reasonable. I haven't been upset with any of the boxes that I've received of the OK Beauty Box yet. But yeah, if I have any codes or anything like that I find that might get you some pennies off, I will link that down below in the information box for you. But let's get in here and have a little sneaky peek. Right, so inside we have the edit card. It's got the information about the products in here, which is great. We have some kind of leaflet thing there. We'll just pop that to the side, and there is your sneak peek. But let's have a proper dig through to see exactly what we've got. Hey guys, so this edit is called Treat Time Edit. This box is apparently worth over £95, and the first product we have is this. So this is by the brand Temple Spa, and it's Way to Go Purifying Cleansing Wash. This is can't even talk properly. This is a deluxe sample size, and the RRP is £1, and it just says the perfect everyday cleanser. This gel formula will leave your face feeling super clean and refreshing without stripping the skin, which is great. I love a good cleanser. The price doesn't bother me. It's £1, yeah, but I think this is the smallest thing I've ever received in the OK Beauty Box since I started receiving the OK Beauty Box. Hopefully it's a good cleanser. The second product I have is this. So this is by the brand Aroma Active Laboratories, and it's a sleep pulse point roller ball. This is a full size and it is worth £8, and it just says give yourself a moment of calm with this pocket size pulse point roller ball. The blend of Avadin, Varian, Lang-a-lang and Buddha wood aromatherapy oils help to relax the mind and soothe the senses. So I'm not really big into the whole roller ball on your pulse points, but if it's nice it might change my mind. Let's have a little look there. So yeah, it's 6 mils. Nice little plain packaging. Yeah, there is the roller ball there, so let's just give it a go. Right, so I've just popped some on there, as you can see. Let's just rub it on both. It is a beautiful smell. It really is. I'd probably I'd probably use that as a nice little perfume on my wrists when I go out or whatever on the daily basis. Yeah, I wouldn't necessarily use it for what it says, but it certainly smells nice and it will get used, so that's good. So the third product we have in the box is this. So this is by the brand Grace and Stella, and this is Dr. Pedicure Foot Peel Mask. You get 1 pair in here and they are worth £18. It just says if you've never tried one of these peeling foot masks before, you're in for a treat. Slip your feet into the serum line mask for 1 hour, wait a few days, then watch as all the dry skin simply sheds off. A bit weird looking for a few days, sure, but worth it to have baby soft feet. So I have actually heard of these things before. I think it's baby There's a brand that started it off, Baby something, I can't remember the name of it, but I'm really happy to get some of these. I haven't got much dry skin on my feet. I've got a little tiny bit more now I've started working, and I'm on my feet a lot more. I think we're gonna have to try these out and do a little video, most definitely. I'm super excited to try these out, and it just says the scent of this is lavender, which is great because I love lavender. So the fourth product we have is this. I'm loving the packaging, it looks very luxe indeed. This is by the brand Eclat Skin, and it's charcoal black peel off mask. This is a full size product, and this is worth £34.95. It just says give your skin a deep cleanse with this extremely satisfying peel off face mask. It's made with bamboo charcoal, which works like a magnet to suck out the dirt and excess oil from the skin. I love stuff like this, I really do. It looks like out of the box. So yeah, very interesting. There's 50 mils in here. This will be going straight into my face mask drawer every Friday. Well, I say every Friday very loosely. If something crops up, or I'm busy, or if I'm not feeling well or anything like that, then there won't be a video, but I do try and aim to do a face mask Friday video, and we have a little vote to see what face mask that will be used. So yeah, this is going to go in there. I can't wait to use this. Right. And the very last product, which I can't believe we're there already, but here it is. This is the fifth product, and this is by the brand Mono Skin, and it's an exfoliating enzyme. This is full size and it's worth £30. And it just says exfoliation is the key to glowing glass-like skin, and this 10-minute treatment is an excellent alternative to harsh scrubs. Papaya enzyme works by gently breaking down bonds between dead skin cells, allowing them to be whisked away to reveal a brighter, clearer complexion. Amazing. I'm sure I've given one of these a little while ago and I haven't tried it yet, so this is just reminding me to try it. If I have got another one of these, I might do a video on me using it, and if I have got a spare one, I'll do a giveaway for that possibly, if anyone's interested. But yeah, very nice brand, very nice product to try out, so yes, must to try this out. This is the March OK Beauty Box Treat Time, I think, is that what I said it was called? I can't remember, my memory's disgusting. But yeah, what do you think? So personally, I picked out the first product. Honestly, I wasn't impressed. The second product, again, wasn't really impressed, but when I popped it on my wrist and smelled it, oh my god, it does actually smell really nice. And this is something I will pop on in the mornings when I'm heading out to the shops, because it just smells gorgeous. You waft your wrist around and yeah, you can smell it. It's really nice actually, so very pleasantly surprised by that. That foot mask, super excited for. Do expect a video on that. Yes. The black charcoal peely offy masky thing, also excited about that. I do think that's very satisfying when you peel masks off and stuff. Hopefully it's not going to be painful. And yeah, the exfoliation enzyme as well is a beautiful product I need to remember to try. So overall, I'm really happy with this box. Started off a little bit on eggshells, but by the end of it, they brought it back and I am loving it. But yeah, comment down below, let me know your thoughts. Yeah, that concludes this video. So if you have not already, hit that subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!